and not on this side. I don't know. I'm just thinking outside the box of simply what this thing could be. It's not your typical lens flare, that's for sure. Just another look at it here again. And yet another perspective here. And I'm up pretty close on this. But here's what's interesting. I did some research. I looked on NewForce, where people report things that they see in the sky. It's got an archive, and I went back through the archives, and I was looking for chevrons, different types of objects that people report that they see in the sky, and there's always hundreds and hundreds of reports. Not every month. Some months are more than others, but this particular one here I found interesting. I did find several people reporting seeing chevrons, but this one here I wanted to share because this gentleman here reported seeing a fast-moving, what he calls a black star, star-shaped object transiting the moon at 144 times magnification as he was viewing the moon through his telescope. And I think he had a camera on it as well. I don't think he got a picture, it just went through really fast as he was looking at the moon. But here's the thing. He drew a sketch of what he saw, and that's what he saw. Not only did he see it once, and this was on November 30th, less than 10 days ago, he's seen this phenomenon twice. And that resembles, even though it's missing one point, that resembles a chevron or a honeycomb. This same guy has seen it 2 times in less than a year. He says, as a point of interest, this is actually the second of these objects that I have seen while observing the moon. The earlier observation took place on June 23rd, 2016. And there is a report on file here at NewForce, and he reported the same phenomenon. So I found that interesting. There were other people that reported seeing like triangles and chevrons, but this was the closest I could find to something that kind of matched this description of whatever this thing here is. And again, this photo was taken by Jonathan at the Crazy Horse Monument in South Dakota, August 8th, 2017. He did not see this object. He just noticed it in the photographs after the fact. Does look like it may be moving. If it was moving, it was probably moving at a very high rate of speed. Probably wasn't meant to be seen, obviously. But it does look like if it is something that is an unidentified aerial phenomenon, looks very sophisticated, whatever it is,